Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make fried chicken, but guys, I'm only gonna use 3 seasoning to season my chicken with. Okay, so here I have 1 spoonful of garlic powder and 1 spoonful of onion powder and 1 spoon of black pepper. Okay, so this is my chicken that I already washed and cleaned. I clean it with lemon juice and I'm using leg and thigh, but I'm not gonna fry a lot of chicken. This is at least 5 pieces. Okay, yes, but if you want, you can always use chicken wings or chicken drumstick. It doesn't matter. So now I'm about to season it up, so stay tuned. So firstly, I'm gonna add some olive oil, at least 2 tablespoons. Then I'm gonna add some salt, at least 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so I'm adding my olive oil first and my salt second. Then I'm just gonna take my nice clean hand and you just want to mix it all together. Just make sure that all the olive oil and all the salt is all over on your chicken. So that's done. So now guys, I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together. I'm telling you, this chicken right here is gonna be super delicious. You don't need a lot of seasoning sometimes, guys, to season your chicken. You can still use, like garlic powder. It's gonna give it a nice flavor. Black pepper, onion powder. Yeah, these 3 right here is perfect combination, may I tell you. So that's done. So now I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over on my chicken like so. And I'm not gonna use all of it, guys. I'm gonna leave back some for my flour mixture. Okay, so I'm gonna leave back this amount. Yeah, I'm gonna leave back this amount of seasoning. Okay, as I said, I'm not gonna use all of it. So now I'm just gonna take my hand and you just wanna massage all those seasoning all over on your chicken. And you can just lift up the skin, guys, and make sure all the seasoning is all on the creases. And on the leg, you can just lift it up. That garlic powder, the black pepper, you can smell everything you can smell. And you can always leave it, guys, to marinate for at least 30 minutes or even overnight. But if you don't have the time, you just fry it as it is. So that's done. My flour right here, and I'm using 1 cup or 1.5 cup of plain flour. So now I'm just gonna add all my remaining seasoning to my flour mixture. Then I'm also gonna add at least 1 spoon of my garlic powder. Okay, and some salt for taste, at least 1 tablespoon of salt. Yeah, that's perfect. Then I'm just gonna mix it all in. Make sure that everything, guys, is all combined, okay? So that's done. So guys, here I have 2 eggs, and I also have at least half cup of whole milk, okay? So I'm just gonna take my fork and just blend all my egg together. I'm using 2 large eggs. Then I'm just gonna add my milk. So I'm just gonna add at least half teaspoon of salt. And just a pinch of my black pepper. Some garlic powder. Half teaspoon of garlic powder. And half teaspoon of my onion powder. And I'm just gonna give it a whisk. So guys, this is totally optional, but I'm gonna add some hot pepper sauce to my wet ingredients. I'm gonna add at least 4 spoonful, okay? But you don't want to add too much because you don't want it to be, you know, super spicy. So that's done. So now that I have everything right here, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna firstly add my chicken to my wet ingredients. Then I'm just gonna add it to my flour mixture. And you wanna make sure, guys, that all the flour is all on your chicken, okay? Make sure that it is coated properly. Even lift up the skin and put some flour right there also. And you can just press the flour on your chicken. Just press it down. So that's done. Just gonna shake off the excess flour and just add it to my plate. And I'm just gonna carry on with the same process, okay? Just shake off the excess flour, as I said. So this is the last chicken that I have leave back. The garlic powder, guys, is gonna give your fried chicken such a nice flavor. That's the secret for this recipe, is the garlic powder. It's gonna make your chicken be super flavorful. So that's done. So you see that? All my chicken is all coated. They are nicely coated, guys. Perfect. So now, guys, I'm gonna fry my chicken, okay? So here I have my pot on my stove, and you want to make sure, guys, that you add a lot of oil, because you want, you know, the oil to penetrate in the chicken for it to cook properly, okay? So as you can see, my oil is halfway through my pot, because I had, you know, I had a lot, okay? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some flour to my oil, and just to see how hot it is. So you see that? It's a bit hot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna turn my stove down, because guys, you don't want to put your chicken in your oil and then, you know, it fries so quick on the outside, and then on the inside it is raw. So I'm just gonna turn my stove down and, you know, on a low heat, okay? So stay tuned. So now I'm gonna check it back. So that's perfect, guys. So now I'm gonna add my chicken, and I'm just gonna allow my chicken, guys, to fry for at least 5 to 6 minutes on each side. It all depends how big your chicken is. My chicken is really big, so you know it have to fry properly. So I'm gonna add at least 3 to 2 chicken in my pot, because I don't want to add so much. I'm gonna add the other one. So guys, it's around 5 minutes. So now I'm just gonna flip it over. They're nice and golden. So guys, I did say allow them to fry for at least 5 to 6 minutes on each side. So what I'm gonna do, the 5 to 6 minutes on each side has finished. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna allow it to fry for another 3 minutes, and I take them out, okay? Because as I said, my chicken are very big. They're not that small. So I need them to fry properly. But this is what it looks like. They're looking nice and golden. Look at that. Amazing. As I said, just leave them for another 3 minutes and they're ready. You can always turn it. So guys, my chicken has finished. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add it to a cooling rack because I want it to be crispy, okay? Look at that, guys. Perfectly fried. So now I'm just gonna fry my remaining chicken. Just make sure your oil is heat up. But as I said, guys, don't allow your stove to turn up too high. So guys, all my chicken is all fried and I'm telling you, they're looking super crispy, so golden, and I'm telling you, this is exactly how I want it. I mean, just look at it. Absolutely delicious. Please guys, share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. So guys, it is all plated up and I'm just serving it with some sweet chili sauce. You can always add some hot pepper sauce with it, because trust me, hot pepper sauce goes so perfectly with it. And you can serve it, you know, with some fries, with some mashed potato, with some rice, whatever you preferred. So now guys, I'm just gonna dip my chicken in my sweet and sour sauce, and I'm telling you, it goes so perfectly with the sweet and sour sauce. This recipe right here is a must try. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.